Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrated. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking out the container.
I almost forgot to let you guys know that I am wearing a shirt. Please don't come at me in the comments. Hey guys, it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really natural makeup look, which is perfect for the summertime, and it's using mainly Fenty products. So I'm just going to jump right into the video. So first, I am applying Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation all over my face using a flat stippling and blending brush. Usually I just take the product straight from the bottle onto my face, and then I blend it all out. I'm also using this foundation in the shade 400. And from the Tan Matchsticks trio, I'll be using rum to highlight my nose. With an angled brush, I'm also applying rum to the inner corner of my eyes to brighten up the look. I found that the application is sometimes heavy, so I tend to blend it out with my flat stippling brush. Low-key, it kind of looks like I'm beating my eye up, but trust me, I was super gentle. And of course, the same goes for blending out the nose highlight. I'll be using the Trophy Wife highlight and an airbrush brush to highlight right above my cheekbones and a bit on my brow bone. A little goes a long way with this highlighter. So just a few dots of the product, followed by blending it out with a blush brush, will certainly do the trick. For this look, my mascara will be the Bare Minerals Lash Domination in Intense Black. And to top it all off, we'll be using Fenty's Gloss Bomb. One of the reasons that I love this gloss so much is because it's natural, subtle, and it's truly universal. Literally any and everyone can rock this gloss. So this is the final look. It's super natural and perfect for those beach or pool days in the summertime. It's basically a no makeup look that I'm kind of obsessed with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want more videos like these, make sure to comment that down below. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to follow all of my social media. I will have that down below in the description box. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to beauty that. Bye! Mwah.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Think I'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. You're the only one I love.